All right, so this question is taken from the January 2020 paper. The January 2020 paper. All right, this is question number 3, and it says the diagram below shows a hexagonal prism. Where to complete the following statements. The prism has how many faces? I'm guessing, well, a face may be viewed as a surface. So if this thing has the hexagon has 6 sides, so the prism itself has 6 sides. But along with having 6 sides, it has a top and a bottom. So this prism has a total of 8 faces. It has 6 sides plus the top and the bottom, so it is a total of 8 faces. All right, the number of edges. There are 6 edges at the top, 6 edges at the bottom, and 6 edges going around. So I would say that this thing has a total of 18 edges. 18 edges. So that is 3 6s, 18. Vertices, these are the vertices. All right, it's where the lines meet. There are 6 at the top and there are 6 at the bottom. So this thing has a total of 12 vertices. So a total of 12 vertices. These are the edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges, and 6 at the bottom: 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It has 18 edges. So this prism has 8 faces, 18 edges, and 12 vertices. All right, we already said that the B part of the question we're not going to do. In particular, because I can't do it on the medium that I'm working with now. So the B part is on construction, which we won't do at this time. Now, let's have a look at the C part of the question. So the C part of the question is on transformation, and it says a quadrilateral PQRS and its image P prime, Q prime, R prime, and S prime are shown on the grid below. All right, let us see what we're asked to do. The first thing we're asked to do is we are asked to write down the mathematical name for the quadrilateral PQRS. Well, I think it is a trapezium. Some persons would say a trapezoid. It's a trapezium, so that's valid 1 mark. Then we're told that PQRS is mapped onto P prime, Q prime, R prime by an enlargement with a scale factor K about the center AB. Using the diagram above, we're to determine the values of A, B, and K. Now, AB would be the center of the enlargement. What else? To find AB, the center of enlargement, we're going to use this fact, that a straight line through corresponding points on the object and the image must pass through the center of enlargement. All right, so the center of enlargement, the coordinates are AB. To find the center of enlargement, I'm going to use this fact. The straight lines drawn through corresponding points on the object and on the image must pass through the center of enlargement. So using my ruler, I'm going to draw a straight line through through Q and Q prime. I just did that. If I want, I could then draw one through P and P prime. All right. So I'm going to draw a straight line. Let's draw it through R and R prime. All right, where the two lines intersect, this is the point. That point is the center of enlargement. All right. So if I want, I can now say that C, which is the point A, B, is the point -4, 1. So this is the point -4, 1. So A is -4 and B is 1. The next thing we're asked to find is we're asked to find K, and K is the scale factor. Now, the scale factor K would be equal to length. All right, let me not bother write out. Let me write, sorry, I start early. Length of one side of image over the length of corresponding side on object. In other words, K would be equal to, let us say, P prime S prime divided by PS. P prime S prime divided by PS. In other words, K is the length of one side on the image divided by the length of the corresponding side on the object. All right, P prime S prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, and PS is 2 units. So K is 6 divided by 2. So the scale factor K is equal to 3. And that would be the end of the question. So K is the length of one side on the image divided by the length of the corresponding side on the object. And this is the end of the question.